right, hopefully you can see the decorations behind me. We're at Multiplaza. We had to come do some shopping. Plus, people told me there were some beautiful Christmas decorations here. So we're gonna seek out some and show them to you so you get an idea of what you might see while you're here at Multiplaza. This is Mother's Day in Panama, which is like, what? Okay, sorry, I got distracted by, this is why I love to just film on the fly. Do you see that? What? Okay, so there's this gorgeous Swarovski. Look, I'm not fancy. I can't pronounce this mess. It's the crystal people. Put up this beautiful tree, and I had no idea. Ice skating in Panama City. How fun is that? It's a great way for me to break a hip, so you will not catch me there. But that looks fun. All right, next up is the Chanel tree. We actually were walking down on this lower level. I'm trying to get used to this camera. We were walking on this lower level down here before we came up, and I mean, it's like all the fancy brands. So I told Brian we must have accidentally turned onto the Rodeo Drive of Multiplaza, and I needed to get back over to the Kmart Van Nuys area. If you're familiar with Los Angeles, you know what I'm talking about. They literally have beautiful stuff set up everywhere you look. This tree is fabulous. That's my favorite tree so far here. But then I walked up to the rail. Look, there's like a snowball crawl in there. Just listen to this music. This woman is down here playing the piano. It's so lovely. Okay, I don't think you can see my face because it's dark out. So it's like a little after 7 o'clock. We decided to walk back down to Parque Urraca and see what the Christmas hubbub was about. OMG. I'm gonna walk you through. It surpasses every expectation I had. It's beautiful. And there's tons of people out walking around, enjoying the lights. There's different vendors doing different things. It's stunning. Okay, here's the Feliz Navidad sign that I showed you earlier today. Look how beautiful it is. People are getting their pictures. I'm gonna try to stay out of their way, but I wanna show you the whole thing. If you can see my face, I'm grinning so big right now. All right, we're kind of on the outside of the park now, and you can see that the trees along the parking area are just all lit up. I mean, when we were here before, you know, we could see the strands of lights on the trees, but you definitely could not envision just how beautiful it is. Yeah, the scope of it, like Brian said. Look at the Christmas tree all lit up. So many people milling around, lots of people with dogs. They're all really friendly. They're doing some kind of show over here. I mean, it's just a fun and festive atmosphere, even though it's, what, 80? Yeah. I mean, it's a little cooler.
There's a lot of Christmas spirit.
Yeah, as long as you don't walk fast, you don't sweat too much. So this is another one of those kind of photo op things. A big, beautiful 2023 sign. Oh, I wish it was darker because this is truly fantastic. It looks like, I mean, it's an ornament, but it looks like Cinderella's carriage or something. Good night. Here is that mailbox and chair that I showed you earlier today. Beautiful Santa. Oh man, guys, this is so cool and so fun. Definitely, I don't know how long they have them up. I would guess until New Year's. Come out and check it out if you're in Panama City. Parque Urraca, it's directly on Avenida Balboa. I don't know where we are. I don't know much about Panama City, but I think it's in the Bella Vista area, and you can find it on a map. I will also link it below. Okay, I don't know what that is, but it's some sort of death trap of fun that would never be allowed in the United States. All right, well, from Brian and I at I Go Panama, Thanks for joining us for Christmas here in Panama City. It's beautiful. Come out and check it out. Make sure you subscribe, click notify, and don't forget to head over to the I Go Panama Facebook group where we'll answer any and all of your questions about everything Panama. So until next week, Feliz Navidad, and we will see you next Friday. Well, today is Sunday, December 11th, 2022. I just got out of the hospital today, and Panama is throwing me a Christmas parade in my honor for my surgery going so well. Check this out. Oh, also, you cannot escape Mariah Carey even if you come to Panama. Sorry.
So the section we're right above looks like the main, what I want to say, seating section, because they've got two big bleacher areas for guests, and this seems to be the mostly condensed population of people watching it. So I don't know if this is where they have judges or what's going on in this particular area, but it seems to be the hot spot. The Panama City skyline is pretty spectacular. I can't think of a much prettier skyline. We've been to Singapore. Singapore had an awesome skyline also. But being right here on the water, it's pretty amazing. Got a bunch of things going by right now. A bunch of vehicles. We're getting a lot of applause from down there, so they're happy about what they're seeing. Got another band and a flat corps down there. They sound really good from here. For some reason, the acoustics over here are amazing. We hear everything up here like it's right on the balcony. But something really lighted up down here, looking very floatish. Not quite sure what it is. We're a little too high up. It could be about 20 floors down, then it'd probably be perfect. So it looks like we have a whole
It's
drone
spelling
parade.
something.
Yeah, see?
Sonemos. What the?
So
What
these
the-
are all
what the-
drones flying
Oh my
in the air.
God. What? What? They might call my Panama third world. They better step back. Sonemos Panama.
Panama.
We are Panama. I bet you that's what that means. Look at, that's so crazy. Yegar is to come. I don't know what that Yegar is. Hey, send it this way. Turn it this way. I can't read. Navidad. Christmas. Christmas is coming, maybe?
Maybe.
What is it? Look, they're lighting up
Santa.
the thing. It's Santa. What the? that is so freaking cool. If that does not come out as cool on video as it is in person, I'm gonna die.
It looks good
because
from
this
here.
is freaking amazing. It's a Christmas tree. All right, Panama, you can't fix a pothole, but you can put on a good Christmas show.
Christmas
Look at the
present.
present! Oh my god! Panama, they love their fireworks.
Hearts.
Oh, heart. There's a reindeer.
Reindeer.
Oh my god! That is so cool. How did they do that? Snowman? I don't know. What is that?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread man. Yeah.
Panama flag.
Ah! Good one.
That
Oh my God,
made him
crowd's
go
going
crazy.
cuckoo. That's, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Again. What is that? Oh, it's Joseph and Mary. It's the manger scene.
Yeah, it is.
What? Alcaldia? I don't know what that. I have no idea what that is. Alcaldia. De Panama. Something of Panama.
So we got some fire twirlers or something going on here. Whatever it is, the crowd loves it. I don't know if you can tell, but they're actually, there he goes. Some fire breathing there.